Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants. I'm gonna rant about this. Well, it's a series of videos or news that are not worth an episode in itself. So I've decided to do the best thing. Ramp it up in a combo and deliver it to you cheaply. Unquestionably. Because, well, that's how I roll. Right? And here we have Antifa doing, well, like the Nazis did, or, well, technically like Antifa did in the Nazi Germany, because as you know, the Nazis came into power as a way to fight out the excessive communist propaganda. Well, considering that communism and socialism are essentially the same thing, and Nazism is socialism, what they did is because one set of socialism was different than the other, so... well, as you know, they don't like when they think differently. And we can see this in today's world. If you think differently, even if your socialism is different from the other socialists, you're going to the gulag! You're gonna be executed. Yeah. And we can see here. And of course.
Yeah, because you know what? You have no fucking respect. So do you think we have respect for your fucking...
Yeah, we can see the Antifa has no respect for anyone, even though they are trying to say the other person has no respect. Well, how can we respect a bunch of violent fucking do-nothings who are more worried to stay on a fucking hippie drum circle and smoke pot and beat people out? How can we respect people like you? Tell me that.
You think we have respect for your fucking son?
He's drinking.
What are you saying, bro? You wanna get
drinking.
Oh shit! What's up?
Dude, seriously? That wasn't even a one-handed punch. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you? You know what? That's how Nazis came into power. They were socialists who were willing to put order on the other more violent and unorganized socialists, which is the Antifa. See?
Yeah, bro.
And that's legal. That's legal. No, she's hit me as legal.
You wanna say some dumb shit? Yeah,
She's hit me as legal. What I do?
But then again, that's how socialists work, how Antifa works. They need to actually hurt people who are incapable of defending themselves, especially if it's an older or elderly man getting punched. Isn't that how Antifa works? Isn't that wonderful? They are so fucking cowards that they are so infused that they prefer to hit someone who can't fight back. Of course. Alright, moving on. And this one, it's just that cherry on top of the shit cake of the shit. Well, I was going to present on a better analogy, but definitely I can't think of anything. I can't think of anything that is a better analogy than a shit cake with a cherry on top, you know, like a dingleberry on top. West Midlands Police, we alerted to a series of racist messages sent to a footballer today, a filthy rich bastard, and after looking into them and conducting checks, we have arrested the boy. Congratulations! Whoa! You guys not only solved racism, you solved a violent crime. Congratulations, West Midlands Police. You did a bang-up job. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you guys. I feel like tearing up. No, I can't even squeeze a tear. No tear squeezing. Thanks everyone who's raised it. Racism won't be tolerated. Exactly, racism is even worse than terrorists. They are even worse than fucking genocidal people who preach genocide. Ooh, racism. Bad. Update. The 12-year-old arrested in connection with racist social messages sent to a footballer has been released on the investigation while our inquiries continue. Good God, you solved racism. You jailed. You found the biggest threat to world peace ever. Racism has no place in society, and we are attempting to contact the footballer to obtain a statement. Exactly, but terrorism is part and parcel of a society, though. That's what Khan said, the mayor of London. Terrorism is part and parcel, so no need to investigate, no need to waste resources, and besides, you don't have resources to investigate. Oh wait, there's a grooming gang problem too, but not waste resources on that one. Let's waste resources on fighting the worst crime of the century, which is racism against the rich footballer. Yeah, yeah, okay, yes, honk honk. Hey, my sights, my beautiful sights. I live in a fucking clown world. Honk, honk. It's a clown world. It's a clown world. Oh, God. Oh, fuck this shit. No, fuck it. Let's end this in a high note because, well, apparently, grooming gangs are not a problem. You know, let you run for years and years and years. Thousands and hundreds and thousands of girls getting raped or sodomized or whatever just because of their race. No, that one, no, that one is not a crime or even worth a bleep. But this one, it was worth all the effort to arrest a 12-year-old boy for racism. Honk honk. Oh, fuck this. Good night.